In the flower, there are non-essential roles and the essential roles. Now we start with non-essential roles or the non-essential parts or the accessory roles. It is made up of calyx and corolla. Calyx, it is made up of sepals. Corolla, it is made up of petals. These floral rolls are arranged in a cyclic manner or a spiral type on the thalamus. The first we discuss accessory rolls or the non-essential rolls. The first, that is the calyx. The calyx is the outermost accessory set of the floral leaves. It consisting of sepals. Sepals are usually green in color and it is inconspicuous part of the flower. Look at the figure. Green colored part, which is called as the calyx, and the separate units, they are called as the sepals. The main function of the calyx is they protect the essential rolls against the mechanical injuries and the desiccation in the bud stage. So the main function is of protection. The calyx, it is made up of sepals. If the sepals are free, it is called as a polysepalous. In the rose flower, you observe the calyx part, sepals are free and so they are polysepalous. If the sepals are united, the calyx is called as gamosepalous. Look at the figure. In Dhatura, the green colored portion, which is all the sepals, they are united and they produces a tube like structure which is a gamosepalous calyx. The gamosepalous calyx is more or less like a tube in which number of sepals may be easily determined by counting the teeth or the lobes. You observe the teeth of the lobes and you can count the number of the sepals. In many cases, sepals fall off before the flowers fully open out and they are called as caudicous or a caudaceous sepals. In example, papaver, you observe the sepals which are fallen down when the flowers open. So at the tip of the flower or at the tip of the bud, these caudicous sepals are there. So it is a characteristic feature of the family Papaveraceae. Then most of the flowers show the deciduous sepals. These deciduous sepals, they fall off with other parts after the fertilization. So either caudicous or deciduous. In some flowers, sepals persist even up to the fruit stage and they are called as the persistent sepals. Look at the figure. After the formation of the fruits, sepals remain as it is and they are called as persistent. So it is the characteristic feature of the family Solanaceae. Brinjal, tomato, capsicum, etc. Sometimes they not only persist but grow to form a part of the fruit are called as accrescent sepals and the example is physalis. So it becomes a part of the fruit. Then the modifications of calyx. When the sepals are colored other than green like the petals, they are called as petaloid. Generally, the calyx or the sepal, it is a green in color and when it possesses a color other than green, it looks like a petal and at that time it is called as petaloid. So there is no differentiation in calyx and the corolla. Look at the figure. So the petaloid sepals, which is again a characteristic feature of the family Caesalpiniaceae. In Caesalpinia or in Dillonyx regia, such a types of petaloid sepals are very clearly seen. The main function of these petaloid sepals are to attract the insects for pollination. Another modification is when the sepals are modified into tuft of bristles or silky hairy bodies on the top of the ovary, they are called as the pappus. Example, that is the Tridacus or a sunflower. Look here. All the sepals, they are like a silky bodies or the silky hairs, and they are called as the pappus. It is again a characteristic feature of the family Asteraceae or a Compositae. The main function of this pappus calyx, it is to help in dispersal of fruits and the seeds. So thus the calyx is one of the accessory role. It is made up of sepals. Sepals are always green in color. Sepals, they protect the plant, they protect the flower in their bud condition. When the sepals are free, they are called as polysepalous. When sepals are united, they are called as gamosepalous. Sepals may be caudicous, may be deciduous, may be persistent, or may be accrescent, and they show some modifications. Sometimes sepals, they are colored other than green. They are called as petaloid, and sometimes the sepals are modified into tuft of bristles. They are called as the pappus. Thank you.